everybody. Welcome. And I'm here with my cousin Camila.
Hey.
And then we were just climbing this tree, and then we find this dead bird. We just find the dead bird. Flip it over. Flip it over.
Is it not strong?
No, don't touch it. There's ants on it. You could kind of see ants.
Oh yeah. Oh, poor birdie.
And this is actually really scary.
Let me go get it.
Alright, we're gonna get a stronger stick. Use this. No.
I saw my grandson. Oh, I think there's a long stick.
Alright, so we're gonna go. Oh, here's a stick. Yeah, come on, let's go. Just use one. Okay, so we're going to go check it out. So, Camila, here it is. Flip it.
How do you do this?
Flip it.
Ew, it's that part.
Flip it. Wait, move. Let the camera get this. Alright. Here. You see the stick. Poke it.
It's very hard.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this.
What is that?
That's his face. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm going to end the video here. It's kind of sad too because there's also a bird there. And it's like watching another dead bird. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here.
Right there watching that dead bird. He's so scary.
And yeah. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.